My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl. But
what's up, y'all? It's your girl Tyrena, and I am here with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing kind of like a lifestyle kind of video. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I prepare for breakfast and also what I eat for lunch. Right now I currently work at a fast food job, so I do make sure that I meal prep for at least 2 to 3 days in advance, just so that I have something prepared so I don't have to eat the food that's at my job. But I am definitely excited to be showing this to y'all. Make sure that y'all give this video a thumbs up, and if y'all want to see any other kind of meals that I make for either lunch or dinner, just leave that down below and let me know. But we're gonna get right into it, y'all, so stay tuned. This is what I usually have. I have unsweetened almond milk, which is dairy free, soy free, and gluten free. I also have half a banana, activita blueberry yogurt, which I'm only going to use half of, chia seeds, spinach, and one thing that I use that I know is not the healthiest is the frozen mixed fruit from Walmart. But that's what I use, so it is what it is, whatever. But this has pineapple, strawberries, peach, and mango. And I'm going to show y'all exactly what all how I put all this in together. So, alright, y'all, so after putting everything in the cup, this is what it should look like. And all this is a cup of almond milk, about 2 big handfuls of spinach, half a banana, a couple pieces of strawberry, peach, mango, and pineapple, and I have half of the Activia yogurt, and then I put half a teaspoon of the chia seeds, and then we're just going to put the lid on this. Once you have the lid on and you make sure that it's tight and secure, you're just going to put it into your magic bullet, press it down, and give it time to spin. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, and once it's done blending, all you do next is you just flip it upside right, and then you want to take the lid off. And then I got my separate cup, and this right here, this is for tomorrow morning. So I just got my cup right here, and I also have a lid, and I'm just gonna pour it all in there. And I will say that it looks gross, but it's not nasty. No lid that I just throw on top. And then for me, I would just put this in the refrigerator, and I'm fine. So in the morning, whenever I am ready for breakfast, I have that ready to go. See? And yeah. So yeah, the green smoothie, not a lot of people like it, and I think that some people just don't like it because they see the color of it or like, they're kind of turned off from it. But I will say, mainly all I really taste whenever I drink that smoothie is the banana. The banana is so strong that it takes over most of the flavor of the smoothie itself. Like I said, it's very refreshing to me, and it also gives me natural energy, so I love it. But now I'm gonna go on and show y'all meal prep that I make for lunch while I go to work. So for my lunch meal prep, I have a red pepper cut up, an orange pepper cut up, I have an onion right here that I'm gonna cut up as well, and then you're gonna need chicken tenders. You don't need that many. So I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna cut up the chicken strips as well, and I'll show you guys what seasoning I'm using once I get started. Alright, y'all, so after I cut everything up, I am left with red and orange and onions, well, red and orange peppers and just some onions, and then I have the chicken cut up, and I'm going to be using garlic powder. This is like one of my favorite seasonings that I think I use on almost everything. I love hot stuff, and this does me right. And then I'll be using black pepper, and then I will also be using onion powder. And this is pretty much what the meal is going to consist of. So what I'm about to do, and usually I would use fresh, but I didn't feel like going to the store and I was being lazy. So I do have a pack of frozen broccoli. Like I said, I prefer to do fresh. I would suggest to y'all to use fresh. I mean, it's not expensive, but this is what I had. I didn't feel like going to the store. And then I also have some olive oil, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sprinkle the seasoning all over the chicken and the peppers and onions and over the broccoli as well. And after I coat that with seasoning, I'm going to go in with olive oil and then mix it all together on the pan, and then I'll show y'all how it looks afterwards. Make sure that you preheat your oven to 400, which I already have it on, and make sure that you do that as well before you even start. And that's kind of like what the chicken and the peppers look like after the seasoning. And then I'm gonna go in with about 2 caps full of olive oil, and then I'm gonna mix it all together, and then I'll be right back. Y'all, so I just added in the broccoli and I kind of mixed everything together. So this is how it's looking so far. Now that I did add in the broccoli, I forgot, and I need to put seasoning on the broccoli, so I'm just gonna go over the chicken anyway and everything all over again. And I got more pepper, going over this with the pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, excuse me, and the Tony chacheres. Probably said that wrong. But yes, and I'm going to go over with another coat of olive oil, mix it all back together, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. This is it. This is about to go into the oven. This is the chicken cut up with the orange peppers, red peppers, onions, and broccoli. Only thing that I don't like about this is that I don't have fresh broccoli. I only have frozen broccoli, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. Getting ready, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get the rice cooker out and get ready to cook my brown rice, because I do have this with brown rice as well. So let me go ahead and get that down, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. And once again, the oven is set to 400. I actually have the rice about to go in, and this is my rice cooker. Now, I am a person, I can cook rice without a rice cooker. I've done it before. I'm okay with doing it. But I use the rice cooker whenever I just don't feel like cooking the rice or dealing with it. And I just put the water in there and the rice. I do enjoy brown rice, so that doesn't bother me. The lid on it and let it do its work. All right, y'all, so my rice is cooking and the timer went off on the chicken. This is it right here. Like I said, it is not done cooking, obviously. But I like to just take a spoon and kind of spoon things around. Some of the chicken might stick to each other. One thing that I have to add is towards the end of me cooking it, I am going to add a teriyaki sauce to it and bake it for a little bit more. But yeah, and so it looks good to me. So this is what it's looking right now. This is what it's looking like right now, y'all. And this is just chicken, broccoli, red pepper, orange pepper, onion, and that's it. And just seasoning. So I'm about to put it back into. All right, y'all, so I actually have 3 minutes left on the chicken, but I just got out of the shower, so I said might as well go ahead. All right, y'all, and this is the chicken so far. So right here is the teriyaki sauce I'm gonna be using. And the first thing I'm gonna do is drop this down, drop the oven down to 350. Drop the oven down to 350. So all I'm gonna do is kind of drizzle it on. Then I'm gonna take the spoon and kind of get it everywhere, or try to get it everywhere. And yes, I like fun meals like this. Number one, I like it because it's colorful. And then it has things that I like in it. Like I enjoy bell peppers. Broccoli is my favorite veggie. I love chicken. So this is fun for me. And then with the brown rice, it just makes for an all-around healthy meal. I would probably say the most unhealthy thing that I have up here is the teriyaki sauce itself. So all I'm going to do now is open the oven back on up. Take the chicken. Let that sit for just another 10 minutes. All right, y'all, so the chicken is done. And like I said, this is just cut up chicken tenders with broccoli, red peppers, orange peppers, and onions with pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and the Tony chachere seasoning. And then there's a teriyaki glaze over it. Really healthy. Like I said, the unhealthiest thing up here is definitely the teriyaki glaze easily. But this is what I eat for lunch. And this is a lot better than me eating a burger, seeing as how I do work at a restaurant. So yeah. And then once again, we have the brown rice over here. I'm a very big brown rice person, so the brown rice doesn't bother me. And so I would pair this the brown rice and the chicken with the veggies together, and that'll make for a good meal. And then make sure that y'all don't forget about the smoothie that we also talked about. And remember, the smoothie is 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, which is dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free. There's also 2 big handfuls of spinach, half a banana, mixed fruit, which was pineapple, strawberries, mangoes, and peaches, as well as chia seeds, and half of the little packet of Activia yogurt, and that's what I use. All right, y'all, so that is all for the meals for today. Like I said, I was showing y'all what I eat for breakfast, and then one of my meal preps that I make for lunch. That's really what I enjoy. I do plan on sharing more meals with y'all that I enjoy cooking. Y'all stay tuned for more videos just like this. Give it a thumbs up if y'all want to see any other recipes. Just leave it down in the comments and just let me know. This is your girl Tyrena signing out, and I want all y'all to have a great night.
To see what's lost behind my flaws. Can you love me now?